This tab runs forward Euler on Kolmogorov's forward equations for a three-state permanent disability model. No recovery. State 0 is healthy, State 1 is disabled, State 2 is dead. Disability force 0.12, healthy death 0.08, disabled death 0.30. Step H is 1/2. Forces are treated as constant in T. Every mu column just points back at C19 through C21. Kolmogorov says the derivative of a transition probability is inflows minus outflows. Euler replaces that derivative by a forward difference of width h, then solves for the next probability. Healthy occupancy only leaves. The outflow rate is mu01 plus mu02, so P00 shrinks by h times P00 times 0.20. Disabled occupancy is fed by healthy people becoming disabled and drained by disabled deaths. Death probability is the complement. H26 equals 1 minus F26 minus G26. No extra force is stored for that. At issue, everyone is healthy. F25 is 1, G25 is 0. H25 is 0. 1 plus 1/2 times -1 times 0.20 is 0.90. That is F26. The disabled inflow is 1/2 times 0.12, so G26 is 0.06. Death takes the leftover, 0.04. After 1/2 year, 90% are still healthy, 6% disabled, 4% dead. Reuse the same pattern on the new row. Healthy probability becomes 0.81. Disabled, start at 0.06. Add 1/2 times 0.9 times 0.12 minus 0.06 times 0.3. That is 0.105. Death complement is 0.085. The sheet stops at t equals 1. Healthy occupancy falls along a straight Euler chord. Disabled rises, then death starts to catch up. On exam day, lock the three forces and H, seed P00 equals 1, and copy the F and G update one row down. Do not pull these probabilities into Thiele. Rebuild that reserve engine separately.